Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how do you withdraw money from a trust wallet that's marked as watch only. Is it even possible? Let's quickly walk through it. Open the trust wallet app or website, then tap the gear icon at the top left. Next, go to the wallets. You will see your wallets listed as including the ones marked as watch only. Here, tap on the watch only wallet. You will see your crypto balance. You can even add more tokens to track. But here's the key. Since it's a watch only wallet, you cannot withdraw any funds from it. This wallet is just for tracking transactions. You don't own the private keys, so the funds aren't truly yours. Unfortunately, that means you can't move or use the money in any way. I know that's not the answer you were hoping for, but I hope it clears things up. Like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.